Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jabra Elite 5 with your iPhone. So to do this, you have to simply grab both earbuds from this charging case and then click and hold these two buttons until indicators simply starts blinking blue, just like that. Next, you can just release the buttons and you can go to the settings, go to the Bluetooth and then tap on the switcher to turn it on. As you can see, we can find here the devices list. So click on the Jabra Elite 5. We are connected right now. And the next step, we have to open the App Store. Go to the search pool and type Jabra Sound Plus. And we have to get this application, the Jabra Sound Plus. So let's open it right now. Let's click skip and accept all the permission that pops on the screen. And as you can see, when we previously connect them by standard Bluetooth settings, we will be already connected with the application. And that's how we can do this. So hope you like it.